and how are you? I I discuss this chemistry in point is element. In the early age, only nine element: carbon, gold, silver, tin, mercury, lead, copper, iron, and sulphur were known. At that time, it was considered that elements were the substance that could not be broken down into simpler unit by ordinary ordinary chemical process until the end of 19 country three element has been discovered. Now 118 element has been discovered, out of which 92 are naturally occurring element. Modern definition of element is that it is a substance made up of same type of atoms having same atomic number and cannot be composition into simple substance by ordinary chemical mean. It means that each element is made up of an type of atom that have very specific properties. Element properties. Element occurs in natural and free of combined forms. All the naturally occurring elements found in the world have different percentage in the earth crust, ocean, and atmosphere. The natural occurs the natural oxygen in percentage by weight of some major element around us. It so concentration of these major element found in the three main system of our environment. Natural oxygen by weight percentage of some major element: earth crust oxygen 47%, silicon 28%, aluminum 7.8%, ocean oxygen 86%, hydrogen 11%, chlorine 1.8%, atmosphere nitrogen 78%, oxygen 21%, argon 0.9%. Element may be solid, liquid, or gas. Majority of the element exist as solid: sodium, copper, zinc, gold, etc. These are very few elements which occurs in liquid state: mercury and domini. A few elements exist as gas: nitrogen, oxygen, chlorine, and hydrogen. On on the basis of these properties, element and divided into non-metal, metal lobbies. About 80% of the element are metal. Elements are represented by symbols which are advantation of for the number of element. The symbol of in taken from the name of that element in English, Latin, Greek, or Greek. If if it is one letter, it will be capital as H of for hydrogen and for nitrogen and C for carbon, etc. In case of two letter symbols, only first letter is cap- capital Ca for calcium, Na for sodium, and Cl for chloride.